In front of me is INFINIX Zero X Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security section. Then click on Emergency at the top. Click on Recipient over here and select Add Contact. Now tap on any contact you wish to add and then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. You can add 3 contacts. If you wish to remove one of them, just tap on the Delete icon on the right. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!